Nearly 70 drugs and experimental compounds may be effective in treating the coronavirus, a team of researchers reported yesterday. Some of the medications are already used to treat other diseases and repurposing them to treat COVID-19, the illness caused by the coronavirus, may be suffered in trying to invent a new antiviral from scratch, the scientists said as per a media report. The World Health Organization is discouraging the use of the phrase social distancing. As per media reports, the organization has urged people to use the phrase physical distancing instead. This, according to WHO, is to provide a clear understanding that the government's directives to stay home amid the coronavirus outbreak is not about breaking social contacts with family and friends, but about keeping a physical distance to ensure the disease won't spread. A 68-year-old man from Philippines who tested positive for coronavirus infection and later recovered has died at a hospital in Mumbai, taking the death toll in India to 8. Maharashtra also reported 15 additional cases of COVID-19 infections, taking the total number of cases in India to 415. India's latest fatality is the third death reported from Mumbai in connection with the coronavirus. In a fresh case of racial attack amid the COVID-19 pandemic in the capital city of Delhi, just after the Janta curfew ended last night, a man belonging to mainland India in his 40s spat pan or chewing tobacco from the mouth on a Delhi University student from Manipur. She was on her way to get grocery items from a shop after the Janta curfew called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ended at 9 p.m. Over the incident, Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad has lodged an FIR at Patel Chase police station last night. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked the people of India to take the lockdown announced to control the spread of coronavirus seriously and duly follow instructions. Taking note of some were not following the instructions, Prime Minister Modi urged people to save themselves and their family by following the instructions seriously. Unidentified assailants exploded a bomb at the CI post of 133 Battalion BSF at Wangjing Tekchamlekai under Thawal district last night at around 7:30. No one was injured in the explosion. According to a police report, the bomb exploded near the sentry post number 4 of the BSF post. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and 15 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of militant group KCP-PWG on March 21 during counter-insurgency operation at Yumnam Patlo, Thongkong in Imphal East. The security forces also seized one single-barrel gun with 3 live rounds from the arrested cadre, a report said. A team of Lumjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited today gave awareness to Tom TV staff at the channel's office at Uripok, Khoisnamlekai, Imphal on effective steps of hand washing and safety measures against COVID-19. Meghalaya government has stepped up precautionary measures against COVID-19 threat. Starting today, a model of 1 day open and 2 days closure will be adopted so that social distancing can be effectively enforced for the whole population of the state. Arunachal Pradesh government yesterday ordered a lockdown across the state from March 23 to 31st in view of coronavirus outbreak in the country. As per reports, a notification to this effect issued last afternoon will be enforced from 5 p.m. today till midnight of March 31. A royal aide at Buckingham Palace has reportedly tested positive for the coronavirus while Queen Elizabeth II was still at her London residence. The 93-year-old monarch shifted out of the palace to Windsor Castle indefinitely last week as a precaution after all her engagements were cancelled, and reports are that she is healthy. Canada became the first country to boycott the Tokyo Games due to the coronavirus pandemic, and Australia told its athletes to prepare for an Olympics next year as Japan and the International Olympic Committee flagged the prospect of a postponement for the first time, according to media reports.